Good morning students. So today we are going to learn the another methods of solving system of linear equations in two variable that so far we have discussed about graphical methods, right? That is drawing the graph and get the answer. Unique solution was there, right? For parallel lines no solution we have written, and for coincidental line we have got many solutions, that is infinitely many solutions. So that was what coming in graphical method. So now we are going to learn the another technique, that is what algebraic method. So there are two methods, graphical method which we have finished so far, and another one is algebraic method, right? In algebraic method we will not use graph, make sure, right? So in algebraic methods there are three methods. The first one is substitution, which I am going to discuss today. Second one is elimination method, and third one is cross multiplication method. So in my other videos you will see other methods. So today we are going to focus only substitution method. So I am sure that you must be familiar with the word substitution. Substitution means we have to substitute in a place of something, right? So in these let us consider the first questions. We are given two equations. So with the help of these questions I am trying to explain to you. I hope you will get it. Substitution method. So what we will do, we will find the values of x or y as the equations containing two variables x and y. So what we will do, we will select any equation. Listen very carefully. We will select any equation, either first or second, any equation, right? Where you find that is the easier one, convenient one, there is no fractions, no negative sign, as per your way. Okay. So after selecting one equation, we will solve that equation for x or y, x or y. Then after getting the value of x or y, we will substitute. The method is substitute, right? Substitution. So we will substitute that value into the another corresponding equation at its respective place. Then we will get the values of the variables. Okay. So whatever I explained, I am going to apply the same thing. So the step first is what? We can do this in step by select any equations. So let us select equation first. You may select equation second. So I am selecting equation first. We can select second also, as I said. Now we find, after selection of equations, now we find the value of either x or y, which value can be calculated easily. So here we can find either x or y, it is R2x. So suppose we are finding a value of x. So what is the value of x? 14 minus y. Value of x is what? This y should go there. 14 minus y, right? Minus y equation third. Now I just said that so obtained value can be put in another equation, right? So this value has been calculated from equation first. So now we will substitute this value of x where? In another equation, that is the equation which was not selected, which was left. So equation second. So substitute this value of x in equation second. Let's see what happens. Now putting x in equation third, we have putting the value of x from third in equation second. This is equation second. So substitute here x means 14 minus y, then minus 5 equals to 4. Now let us simplify this. Implies that 14 minus y minus y equals to 4. Now this implies 14 minus y becomes minus 2y. 4. We can take constant this side, or we can also shift 14 that side. This minus becomes plus y. Or y equals to 5. So what we have seen in this, under this substitution method, okay, using this we have got now values of y straight away. As soon as we substituted the value, we got the value of y. Now substitute this value of y where in any equation first you may put, second you may put, or you may put also in third. Okay, so which one is very convenient or which gives the solution directly? We will put this value y in that equation. So clearly I find equation third is that equation which gives the solution directly. So let us put value of y5 here at this place of y. So from equation third we have x equals to 14 minus y, that is 5. So 14 minus 5 equals to 9. So x equals to 9. So what we have to do in the equations? Find the values of x and y. So now we have got the values of x and y. I am sure that 50% the method must be cleared to you. 50%. Okay. So to complete this into 100%, let I take one more questions. Okay. Second part. Assuming equation first. So S by that is 3. This is 2, T by 2. So this time x and y are not even. Okay. So do not worry about that because s or t is also taken as variable. We may be given u or v or any variable. The method remains same. So what was the method? Step first, select any equation that is looking convenient. But here see one more thing. Equation second is in what? Fraction. So we can simplify this equation second. Okay. In this form, that is removing this. So taking LCM, that is 6. Equation second implies, right? We have taken LCM 6, 3, 2, 2s, 2, 3, 3t equals to 6. And now do cross multiplication. So this is 36. So now we have to solve equation first and 3. 3 has come from equation second. So we have removed this kind of fraction to make the calculations easier or to get the solution in easy way. Right? Now select equation first or third. Any equation where we can find the value of variable. So what are the variable? S or T. Two variables are there. So wherever we get the value of S or T very conveniently, very easily. That is not into the fraction. So which equation you find? If I select equation third, we can select it, no problem. Okay, but the calculations would be become more lengthier, okay, as compared to taking first. Why? If you find the value of S or T, then this 2 or 3 will go in down of 36 and then variable. So this creates the fractions, and in fractions there may be some complex terms will be there, then again LCM. So somewhere the problem becomes very lengthy. Okay, so you can go with this, right, to strong your calculations, but in examination, okay, you should prefer this equation first. Taking equation first, so we can find the value of S or T. So let's find S, that is T plus 3. Equation is 4. So we have selected equation first, we have got the value of S. Now this value of S to be put where? In the another equation, that is third one, which is the simplest form of second. So from equation third we have, so what we are doing, we are putting this value of S where? In equation third. So it is 2S. S means we are writing T plus 3, okay, plus 3t equals to 36. Okay, now simplify this. 2t plus 2 3 are 6 plus 3t equals to 36. So let's check. Even you should also check the multiplication and the term is written correctly or not. Right? In the examination you can also cross check. Because if any steps is wrong, then your entire calculation will be wrong. So 2 or 3, 5. From this 6 go that side, minus 6. Clearly, they are using substitution method. I think the method is somewhere more clear. Now t equals to 6, or we put this value in any equation which is or convenient or which gives solution that way. So which one? I think equation 4 is the convenient one. From equation 4, so we have got s equals to t, that is 6 plus 3, so s equals to 9. So we have got s and t, right? So I think the method is clear to you. Okay, so I will simplify this. Now let us solve one more question. This containing this square root. Okay, fifth part I am taking. You students might be having doubts in this square root. Fifth part. So we are solving third question. Again let us apply the same things. Select any equations where you can find the values of variable either x or y conveniently. Selecting equation first, you may select second also. So let us solve it for x. Du minus this, or x will be. Now we take this third and we put this value in the equation which second, because we have calculated this value from first. So from third we have equation second. So putting this value of x in equation second. So root 3 into x. So this time x is into y. Okay. Root 3 into x minus under root 8y equals to 0. Okay. Now root 3 into minus root 3 becomes minus 3 y upon root 2 minus root 8y equals to 0. 1 1. Now taking LCM, 16y equals to 0. We can do cross multiplication also. Minus 3y minus root 16 means 4, or 0 into root 2, that is 0. Y equals to 0 upon minus 7. Make sure many students write plus 7. Okay, which is wrong. So here y equals to 0. And now this value can be equated in any equation. Yes, so equation third is we put the value of y here. So x will be what? Third implies x will be what? 0 into whatever constant is 0 gives 0 only. So this is x equals to 0, right? So today we have learnt the substitution method of these questions. So now try to solve the examples and the remaining parts. Okay. And if you have doubt, you can ask it. Okay. Thank you very much.